There you go, fantastic easy recipe, loaded cheesesteak fries. Easy to make, not complicated, a brilliant dish. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, loaded cheesesteak fries. There's loads of games going on around the world at the moment, so we're going to do a loaded cheesesteak fries. You can chuck on the table, watch the TV, watch the game, do whatever. In fact, you don't even have to watch any game, just enjoy. Fantastic for sharing, easy to cook. We're going to do it right now. Okay, potatoes. I've already chipped. We're going to put these in the air fryer. We've done the air fryer chip recipe not so long ago. Check it out on the channel. There you go. We're going to stick those in the air fryer and then we're going to carry on. So we want some of those in there. There on, that's going to be whirring away behind me. In here, got an onion. Everything's going to be sliced today just for easiness. And then they all look the same with the chips, you know. Got red and green bell peppers or capsicums, depending where you live. Slices, big or small as you like. In there. Done. Beef. Now this beef was frozen and it's been sliced across. All we're doing is that. Just cut it into some strips. Okay, use top round, sirloin, anything you like, to be quite honest. It's whatever you like, isn't it? Come on. But that's all we are doing. Like that. Green onions, scallions, spring onions, whatever you know and buy. Garlic, big as small as you like. In there. Let's get cooking. Pan on. What we're going to do is make a cheese sauce and then we'll do the beef and the veggies, and by that time everything should come together pretty quickly. Want some butter in a pan. This is a ridiculously quick roux, so we don't have to worry about this one. It's going to be a really quick cheese sauce. In there, some flour. Give it a little stir on. Cook out the rawness of the flour. Okay, in there, your milk. Cook till it starts to thicken. We'll have a little bit of Dijon in there. Right, that's starting to thicken. We don't need to go too much on there. If we do, we're going to have to thin it. In there, some cheese. Reserve a little bit. That's cheddar. You can use whatever you like. This is processed cheese, and there's them people that say, why processed cheese? Well, it stops it all from splitting and it has a nice mouthfeel. Now, you do not have to use it. Just use cheese. And that is flame off. We don't need to do any more than that. How long did that take? Probably 3 minutes. There you go. That is a fantastic cheese sauce. Leave to one side, keep warm if you want. Might be a good idea. Give those a shake. Chuck some oil in your pan. We'll go olive oil. Season this meat. You can salt and pepper it. You can put soy sauce on here. You can do any of that. That's up to you. In fact, what we'll probably do is just put a little bit of salt and pepper on there. Now I've said that. I was going to do it in the pan, but we'll do it here, look. There you go. We've salt and peppered it, you know. Beef works wonderfully with just salt and pepper, but like I say, you can soy sauce, you can do what you want. There you go. Onions in there. This is a fantastically quick cook. You don't have to mess around on this one. Just a little bit of softening on there. They're going to soften. We're going to chuck the peppers in, followed by the garlic. Probably about 5 minutes. Remember your chips. Nice little shake. Let them carry on. In there, peppers. Now you could really take this to town if you want. You could put fajita seasoning mix in there. Anything. Chili flakes. Clear a space. In there, garlic. Stir it in. Come on, let's bring it round. In there, beef, splash of Worcester on that beef. This is what I say about soy sauce. You could use soy sauce. Shake your chips. What an easy dish, come on. Turn up the heat a little bit. We're going to cook this beef just cooked. Little stir on. All those beef juices are coming out into there. Look, it's giving us a nice moist dish. There we go, that is cooked. Quick speed, turn off. Bring in something you're going to serve it in. That is a tray with a little dish. We're going to put that in the center. Those chips. 1 second, finish. There you go. Out of there, on there. On there, your beef pepper mix. Come on. Make sure it goes all the way around. Cheese sauce. And in there. Little touch of cheese on there. Now you can sprinkle anything you want over this. You know, if you want any more seasoning or chili flakes or anything, get it on. In there, green onions. On there, green onions. There you go. A game centerpiece right there. How long did that take? About half an hour tops. You put it out with some forks and let everybody get stuck in. There you go. Absolutely superb. What a fantastic game day ring, if you like, to put it in the middle of the table. You got your beef on there, you've got your chips on there. Come on. Oh, amazing. You got the cheesiness, you got the beef, the veg, the chips. Oh, it's a bit warm. In we go. That is truly off the charts for less than half an hour cooking. Oh yeah. And those chips in there. Get your chip in that cheese sauce. Come on. Amazingly simple, not overpowering with anything, absolutely bursting with flavour. Now if you're going to put a dent in this, you've got to wet your whistle. Whistle wet. Oh yeah. There you go, fantastic easy recipe, loaded cheesesteak fries. Easy to make, not complicated, a brilliant dish. Brilliant dish for sharing. But you know, you could put it in individual portions, you could do whatever you want. It's just a bit flashy for the video really. You know, dump it on your plate, off you go. There you go. Share with your friends. Get everybody around, share and enjoy. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Or we'll catch you in the next video. All these chips are a bit big, come on. Oh yeah. Just amazing.